Hi, have you noticed this scroll bar here on your Wix pop-up? Just imagine you've added content and for some reason you still see this scroll bar right here on the right side of this pop-up. This happens because of one setting called overflow, and when overflow is set to scroll, Wix automatically adds scroll bars which are basically vertical, horizontal, or both. And here is how to remove it. Simply click on your pop-up, just the blank section, go ahead and open up your inspector, scroll down till you get here, till you get to the overflow content, and here you can see the first option and you have the option to hide the overflow. All right, so if you don't want to hide the overflow, you can still leave it as is, but over here you can go ahead and say show scroll bar, where you can toggle that on or off. So even though you still have the ability to scroll through your content, the scroll bar will still be hidden. I think that's a very nice option to have. Now let's turn that back on and let's change the scroll direction to horizontal. You can see the scroll bar has been moved down, and you can also change it to both, have the scroll bar at the right side and also the bottom of this pop-up. So this is one of the easiest way to hide the scroll bar if you don't want to have it at all and you just want a plain clean pop-up for your Wix Studio website. All right, that's it. I hope this tutorial was useful. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.